Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can get help in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help Center button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, there are different topics that you can choose from. So if you are having some troubles in connection with the shipping, click on the shipping button, and then there are further labels or topics that you can choose, like shipping methods, for example. And as you can see, there's a very detailed description on everything you need to know on this topic. And yeah, so basically you will find everything here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.